Hi, my name is Nazaf Ijaz and my student ID is 303-62083. This is a group presentation and the other member of my groups are Sukhveer Kaur and Kuljit Kaur Malhotra. Our presentation topic is various aspects of ITSM in Verizon. Introduction. IT as service management is referred to the processes which enables the organizations in reduction of delivery time, ensure high levels of customer satisfactions, and provide end-to-end support as per the requirements of customer. The implementation of the practices involved in the businesses is based on the best ITSM practices. The planned structure of IT services manage the expectations of the businesses in a systematic manner. This slide gives the information about the company background. The company which we selected for our presentation is Verizon. Verizon Communications is one of the global leaders in providing communication, information technology, and entertainment services. The company has expertise in providing data, voice services, and solutions over their own company networks. The company specializes in providing data, video, and voice services and solutions over their effective networks and platforms. The company provides employment to over 135,000 employees in 150 global locations. They are inclusive of the aspects such as a digital inclusion, climate protection, human prosperity, and product responsibility. ITSM in Verizon. Verizon use IT services management practices in providing utmost customer satisfaction to its clients. Verizon uses ITSM technologies in delivering global network, infrastructure, and management services to customers. Verizon's platform follows Information Technology Infrastructure Library (ITIL) in processing its entire operations. Here are some benefits. Verizon provides 24/7 management and monitoring. The use of ITIL enable automation of all workflows. Verizon services are purposely curated to fulfill the high security needs. The processes have secure data centers to provide services to its customers. Services and processes meet the Federal Information Security Management Act. Thank you. The presentation will be continued by Sukhveer Kaur.
Hello everyone, my name is Sukhveer Kaur and my student ID is 303787752. And so, continuing to presentation, I am discussing the three theories of ethical philosophy. The first one is consequential ethics theory. In this theory, the actions are committed in the expectations of a fruitful outcome. The quality of an action is judged by its outcomes. And the second theory is deontological ethics theory. According to this theory, a person needs to follow a certain set of rules and regulations. And the last third one is virtual ethics theory. So, in this theory, the individual takes the center stage. A person can possess different varieties of characteristics. So, this is SFIA skills and frameworks. Version can accomplish consistency in sourcing and organization using straightforward means of aptitudes and levels by utilizing SFIA skills and frameworks in plans and organize. In the work culture of version, SFIA can be utilized to plan and approve proposed association plans and target working models. Acquisition can include recruitment of permanent or part-time workers. Managers and leaders of version company improve inspiration, commitment, and efficiency by conveying individuals to the correct work. Assessment of resulting assessment and advancement. The analysis of information might be broken down to instill dynamics, including needs for improvement. The development of individual capacity in accordance with the association's needs depends on SFIA's target. So, reward version company understands the people should be recognized for their performance and should be rewarded. The best practices of ITSM focus on the users. The main focus should be the users instead of processing. Second thing that needs to be focused on going beyond ITIL frameworks. In order to decrease ticket resolution time and execution, the IT administration must be agreeable with broadly utilized ITIL benchmarks. Third thing, they need to focus on clear CMDB data modeling. This generally includes making or harnessing a configuration management database that gives you an unmistakable handle on the entirety of your IT resources and the conditions between them. The last thing that we need to focus on reducing time taken in service delivery. The innovation of processes is necessary in reducing the time taken in the delivery of the products and the services. Uh, so that's it from my side. Now my friend Kuljit will explain more in next few slides. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kuljit Kaur Malhotra. My student ID is 303777458. I am going to present ITIL in Verizon. Management of the following processes. The first is incident. It includes the continuous monitoring and checking the devices in order to any incidents. The second is the configuration. If there is the occurrence of any problem or any changes, the process refer to modifications of the configuration of devices and services. Change. In Verizon, if there is any kind of the modification is required, the management is comes into play. Asset. This process is referred to management of assets of company and recording the information into CMDB. Last one is the security. This process is characterized by the need of configurations of management of devices, which is in accordance with the security standard company. Yes, in this slide, the discuss about the service design, plan coordination. Plan coordination means maintenance of the guideline, budget, and the policies of the IT services. Second is the management of service catalog. This stage is referred to designing and planning of the services catalog to showcase the services to the customer. Management of service level. This refers to ensuring the high level of the quality of the services. Magnitude management, the optimal and efficient utilization of the current procedures and planning for the future resources. Readiness management, the service was fulfilling the goal of availability. IT service continuity management, the process of ensuring the services will be a continually provided. Information security management, making sure the data is kept confidential and secured. Last one is the management of supplier, the process of a managing and relevant guideline with the supplier. Process and function needed and applied in Verizon. First is the service plan. The most important step of the entire cycle of ITIL system is to create a procedure. The advancement of the arrangement in the way to decide working the whole framework, which incorporate all office and arrangement. Service scheme. This suggests a design of the program which follow up the whole new information technology capacity, how an origin service can be provided in the systems of improvement. The third is the service transformation. This step is introduce, sort out, and introduce the information technology administration that will eventually assist you with planning a systematic way. Service function. The processes that were created in the past cycle in the processes of Verizon, those would assist with checking whether it was working effectively. Continual services enhancement. This stage is dedicated to improving the administration and convey the performance with utmost accuracy of the processes of Verizon communication. Conclusion. After studying all the processed which are prevailing the IT service management practice, the blend of the processes IT service management provide utmost advantages of an organization applied in practice. The organization chosen was Verizon Communication. The application of the ITSM in organization can critically enhancement overall business proposition. These are the references. Thank you so much.